All right, so double checking that they're both in slope-intercept form, which they are. So I can go ahead and start graphing the first one. I'm going to do that one in red. You might even want to kind of scribble next to it what color matches with which inequality. So -3 on my y-axis, and then my slope is 2. So that means I'm going to go up 2 and over 1. Now, something that is helpful is you can keep doing slopes. So even though we really technically only need 2 points to draw a line, if you want to make a really nice straight line, you could continue going up 2 and over 1, up 2 and over 1, up 2 and over 1, as much as you have space for. Now, we've always talked about going to the right, but technically you can do the exact opposite of what we just did. So instead of going up 2, we're going to go down 2. Instead of going right 1, we're going to go left 1. Now, if you get confused on that, well, kind of pay attention. This needs to be a straight line, so it needs to be down here. Down 2, over 1, down 2, over 1, down 2, over 1. And I personally kind of like doing that because, again, that gives me a really nice straight line. Whether I have a ruler or not, I don't really need it. Since this is a less than symbol, do I do solid or dotted line? Dotted line. All right, and then the last thing that we want to do is the actual shading of this. So since 0, 0 is not a number that is on that dotted line, I'm going to replace y with 0 and x is 0. So that's going to say 0 is less than -3. Is that true? No. So because it is not true, that means I am shading the side of the line that 0, 0 is not on. All right, now I'm going to graph my second inequality, and I'm going to use blue for this one. Y is greater than or equal to 5, so I'm going to the y-axis, and I'm putting a point at 5. And no matter what x is, y is going to be 5. So this is going to be a horizontal line. And is it going to be solid or dotted? Solid. Okay? So it goes all straight through here. Now that should be pretty easy to draw a straight line on those. So now it's time for me to check to see which side I need to shade. Is 0 greater than or equal to 5? No. So that means I need to shade above the line. So now I can see that it's just in this top little corner that they overlap. Now this graph goes on in all directions, okay, continuously and definitely. So it really is more than just this little section, but on my graph, that's all I have space for, okay?